Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to turn off adult content warning on X. So you need to change two main settings, and to do that you must be 18 and older, and you need to use X website, because when you try to do that in your X mobile application you will simply not see those settings. They simply not appear. So go to x.com, which is official website of X, and you want to sign into your X account. And now finally, when you're in, tap your profile picture in the top left, and now in the side menu let's scroll down until you see settings and privacy. In your settings you want to go to section privacy and safety. From here select content you see and look for the option that's called display media that may contain sensitive content. So please check this box next to this option to display sensitive content in your home page. Additionally, if you want to enable sensitive content in your search results, let's go to search settings and find this option that's called hide sensitive content, and please make sure that this box next to this option is unchecked, so that sensitive content appeared in your search results when you search for something on X. So after making these changes on X website, they will apply in your X mobile application. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.